Imagine 1162, the freezing cold of the Mongolian steppe. You are born with a blood clot clenched inside your fist. The shamans see it as a warning. Your father is a small chieftain trying to survive against enemies on every side. This is a world where mercy is a myth, and survival of the fittest is the only real law. Welcome to the life of Temujin. At the age of 9, life hits you with its first brutal lesson. Your father is poisoned to death by a rival clan. Your own tribe sees you and your mother as excess baggage. They take everything and abandon you on the frozen land. Here you learn something important. Loyalty is a transaction, and betrayal is the default setting of this world. You grow up eating rats and roots just to survive, but your eyes are watching, learning, remembering everything. At 12 years old, you make your first ruthless decision to protect your family's food supply. By 15, you are captured and humiliated, dragged across camps like a trophy. While people laugh at you, you are planning. One night, you escape. Inside you, there is no rage, only ambition. You do not just fight wars. You rewrite the rules themselves. You create the Yassa code of law. You promote people based on merit, not bloodline. You are no longer just a tribal leader. You are becoming a war engineer. Over 200,000 men bow before you, and you earn a new title. Genghis Khan, universal ruler. The Great Wall of China? You do not destroy it. You simply ride around it and make it irrelevant. When an empire kills your diplomats, you do not just declare war. You erase entire cities from the map. Rivers are diverted, cities turn into ash. You have become a lethal machine stretching from the Pacific to the gates of Europe. At 63 years old, you still refuse to stop. Your body is weakening, but your mind is already planning. You have conquered 1/5 of the planet. Then one night, you die in your sleep. Before your death, you order a secret burial. No tomb, no monument. You came from nothing and returned to nothing, but you left a scar on human history that may never heal. There was once a time when you survived by eating rats in the snow. Now, you are the man the world was forced to acknowledge. You are history, and that is the legend of Genghis Khan.